Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
All right, counsel, you can please pardon your client.
Yes, I'd like to direct your attention to June 15th, 2023 and June 22nd, 2003. Did you fail to appear for a probationary instruction?
Yes.
And additionally, while on probation, you did accrue a new charge, correct?
The court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the probation violations. Enter a plea of guilty based upon your, enter a probation violation based upon your plea of guilty.
You can already feel the weight in this courtroom. She admits to missing probation appointments and catching a new charge, and yet there's this distant calm in her voice. It's like she's resigned or detached. And when her attorney asks for leniency, you get the sense that everyone knows this is going to end badly.
All right, Ms. Bolchak, did you request to be tethered to treatment while you've been on bond?
Yes, just to try to have time. I mean, I don't think I personally need treatment, but I know that that was something that I asked for when I first got arrested. So I'll do the days, I'll do whatever it takes, but
This right here is where the case takes a sharp emotional turn. She says she doesn't think she needs treatment, but she only asked for it to avoid jail. The judge clocks it immediately. And honestly, that kind of honesty or confusion reveals how lost she really is. It's not even manipulation, it's a survival response.
I don't think you need treatment. Why did you ask to go to treatment?
I was trying to have like the days made up. I don't know if it, I don't really know. Because
ma'am, you asked for treatment. So why did you ask for treatment?
Get out of jail.
I'm sorry?
To not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought. Okay. So, and you don't think you need treatment? Given what's been going on with you the last year, you don't think
3 drug convictions at just 25. Missed probation. No follow-through. This is the system's revolving door in action. But what's chilling here isn't just the judge's frustration. It's her dream-like rambling about summer jobs and coffee. She's clinging to tiny things while the reality of 138 days is looming over her head.
25.
25. And now you have 3 drug-related convictions. 3. Your under advisement status is revoked. You had an opportunity to not have your possession charge on your record, and you didn't do a darn thing with probation. Not at all. You just ghosted us.
I know. If I get probation this time, I told myself, like, you know, it would be at least 6 months. That's all I would really need to get like clean, and you know, by summertime I'd be working. I really want to get a car. But aside from the job thing, just, you know, I want to draw and make music, and I don't know. I just want to do things for myself, and I like coffee again.
This is one of the most heartbreaking parts, because you hear a young woman trying to sound like she has a plan, but it's falling apart mid-sentence. She talks about drawing, drinking water, making music, anything but real accountability. And the judge knows it. That's why the sentence lands hard.
I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that, like, I've been doing since I've been in here. So I haven't been.
Ma'am, part of the concern, right, is when you get out, how are you going to continue to do stuff, right? That's part of what treatment is, and you don't think you need treatment. So
I've been to court 7 times. I've been to treatment like 7 times. I know how to work the program. I know to go to a meeting when I need to. I know there's just different times. I know.
So you go through the motion. You go through the motions. So you just go through the motions. You don't really receive what it is that you're getting.
I really think I've learned a different way. I've been incarcerated this time, man. It's. I don't know. It's just, it feels different. It feels really different.
Here's the tragic cycle. She pleads for treatment after being sentenced. But the judge doesn't buy it. Why would he? She's been to rehab 7 times. At this point, the legal system isn't just handing out second chances. It's dealing with someone who keeps running from them.
Well, here's what,
Is there any probation that you can
Judge, we're ready to hear the sentencing. We are ready to proceed, Judge.
yes, no, man, you're not getting probation, I can tell you that much. The court's going to, on 23405, the court's going to adopt the recommendation, revoke probation, close the case without improvement, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. On 23739, the court's going to adopt the recommendation. Your under advisement status is revoked, your probation is revoked, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. The court will know that that will be served.
This moment is raw. You hear her voice crack. The denial, the reversal, the desperate, I do need treatment. But the judge's hands are tied, and maybe his trust is gone. When someone only asks for help after being sentenced, it raises the question, is it sincerity or just a last-minute plea?
That's consecutive with 23739 and 23405. And the court will suspend your fines and costs on that, on this matter.
What?
Any questions, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions, ma'am? Well, 60 on your probation violations plus 93, plus 15. So that's going to be, I can tell you exactly what that is, ma'am.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
138 days in jail. No treatment, no probation, just consequences. But underneath the judgment and sentencing is a young woman spiraling.
No, you told this court, the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
No, that's
So
not.
you can do the jail time.
Ma'am, I'll do treatment.
Quite frankly, ma'am, with your lengthy warrant status and you're absconding from probation, I'm not sure that you would not abscond from your treatment provider.
Ma'am, I can't do 130 days.
Yeah, you said you didn't need treatment.
I do.
The courtroom tried to help. It failed. Or maybe she did. And somewhere in that failure, we see the brutal, repetitive nature of addiction and the limits of the justice system.
My court recorders indicated our record is a mess because of all the talking in the background. And what was that, Ms. Bolchak?
I really don't. I think I need treatment instead.
Ma'am, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself. That's what I asked for when I first came in, because I do have a drug.
Judge, potentially, Judge, I know that potentially she might be asking for some sort of mental health treatment, but I understand